Look at the sky tonight. The Perseid meteor showers are peaking the next 2 nights, with the best time being a little bit after midnight tonight. But not a bad show. We're getting pretty good weather to see this tonight because it's still pretty dry in the atmosphere, which is one of the main components you need. You also probably going to need to get out of downtown Austin if you want a good show, because of that light from the city is going to kind of obstruct your view a bit. Other than that, the peak time to look between 12 and 6. The peak is actually going to be closer towards sunrise when it gets a little bit more difficult to see them. But we could see up to 90 per hour, or about 1 every 40 seconds in the sky tonight. So they need to head outdoors and see later on this evening. May even see 1 or 2 of them right now if you step outside as well, but they're not going to be as frequent. Now, looking out live from our South Austin camera at Capital Chevy out there, you can see a lot of folks cruising along on I-35. This is not a mistake. It is still, at this hour, 93 outside, so it's a very warm evening. We've got a light east-northeast wind at 3, and the dew point number not too bad at 58, although I do expect that number to be rising during the overnight hours tonight, and when you wake up tomorrow morning, it is going to be a muggy start to the day. Now, temperatures around the area, we do have a couple of numbers that are a little bit more tolerable. 86 right now in Blanco, 88 in Fredericksburg, still 93 right now in Bastrop, and we've got 90 in LaGrange and also 90 in Giddings. Not a whole lot of wind out there this evening, and it is kind of variable, meaning it is shifting direction out there. And I do expect tomorrow we'll get a little bit of relief in the wind department. Winds will actually pick up a little bit out of the south, anywhere from about 8 to 15, and that may help it feel like it's a little bit cooler outside than today, but not by a whole lot. Satellite and radar this afternoon showed mainly clear skies across much of the state. We saw 1 or 2 little isolated thunderstorms pop up out in Edwards County, well off in the Edwards Plateau region. Other than that, high pressure dominating most of the state, and it will for the next couple of days, and we all know what that means: hot temperatures and a lot of sunshine. The good news, however, that high is going to start breaking down as we head through the midweek. A little trough will move through the Rockies by the end of the week, and that'll bring us our next chance of rain. Out in the tropics, we did have tropical depression number 7 right here, and you can see not a whole lot going there anymore as it's moving through the Windward Islands this time. Just a cluster of thunderstorms. They've downgraded this, in fact, as it doesn't look all that organized and probably not going to reorganize itself anytime soon. So back at home tonight, future clouds and rain. Check this out. Nothing showing up during the overnight. Good meteor shower viewing weather tonight. Tomorrow's going to be another gorgeous, hot day. Lots of sunshine expected. Temperatures again over 100 with that high in place. Not expecting a whole lot of relief over the next couple of days. So tonight, 75 expected for that overnight low. And again, that number going to be a little bit closer towards daybreak tomorrow morning. Light south winds. Then tomorrow we'll see winds picking up a bit. Let's say 8 to 15 out of the south. Afternoon high about 102. Now the good news about that 102 should be our warmest temperature of the next 7 days. We're going to see a gradual cool down as that high starts to shrink a bit. We'll see 101 Monday and Tuesday, 100 for Wednesday. Even a couple of chances of rain returning to the forecast as that little trough moves into the state late in the week. We'll see 99 Thursday, 97 for Friday and Saturday, with about a 20% chance of rain those last 3 days.